Today I am going to show you how you can grow watermelon at home, using these simple hanging bottle containers. Even if you don't have land or a garden, this method lets you grow healthy watermelon plants right on your rooftop or balcony. First, take a 5-liter or 10-liter plastic bottle and cut a wide opening on the side. Make the holes on the top so you can pass a rope through it and hang it securely. Make sure there are 5 drainage holes at the bottom so excess water can easily drain out. Now prepare a light and nutrient-rich soil mix. Use C 50% garden soil, C 30% compost or cow dung, C 20% sand or cocoa peat. Mix them well. Watermelon roots grow fast, so loose and airflow-friendly soil works best. Plant only one healthy watermelon seedling in each bottle. If you plant more than one, they will compete for nutrients and fruits will not form properly. After planting, hang the bottle where it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Use a strong rope to support the vines. As the plant grows, gently guide the vine upward and tie it loosely so it can climb easily. Watermelon plants love moisture, but don't overwater them. Water lightly every morning. Once a week give any organic liquid fertilizer like banana peel water, onion garlic peel fertilizer, or mustard cake fertilizer. After 35 days you will notice flowers on your plant. Female flowers have a tiny baby watermelon under them. If bees are less in your area, gently hand pollinate the flowers for better fruiting. Once the fruit starts growing, support it using a small net or cloth so it does not fall due to weight. Within 65 to 75 days, the watermelon will reach full size and be ready to harvest. So this is how easily you can grow watermelon in hanging bottle containers. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching.